friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up Wolf Custom VPN application in all countries for a fast, secure and stable internet. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, I'm available in the comment section. We can interact in the comment section. So don't forget to drop a like. So first and foremost, open Google Play Store. And then once you open the Google Play Store, you're going to go where you search from. And then once you reach where you search from, you're going to search this application. It is available in Google Play Store as Wolf. You're going to type Wolf Custom VPN. So you're going to download this application from Google Play Store. And then once you download this application, you're going to install it in your device. So, and after open, allow all the required permissions that will be requested to you by this application. And then after, you're going to allow the notification permission. That is it. So it will be looking like this. After you open this dashboard, will be looking like this. So we're going to first come right here. Before doing anything, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to share. We're going to come right here down where you see update, and then update the servers, because once you don't update the servers, it will fail to connect. Kindly choose the option which is online update. Give it some few seconds, and the process of updating servers requires a running data bundle. So make sure that you have something like a bundle on your device. So you're going to update the server, and then after, you're going to come on our second last step, which is auto select server. Once you reach auto select server, you're going to be seeing all those servers. There are many servers in this application, so kindly choose a server that is from your country's location, or that is your country's location, or that is near to your country's location. Hope we are getting something. Kindly choose a server that is from your country's location, or that is your country's location, or that is near to your country's location. For example, me, from Kenya, I can choose a server from Uganda, or I can choose a server from Kenya. That is it. Alternatively, if you don't see that server, you're going to choose a server. Oh, you're going to keep in the auto select server right here, because me, I'm not seeing my country's server. So keep in the auto select server. Once you don't see your country's server, lastly, you're going to come right here where you see Wi-Fi and data. Once you reach Wi-Fi and data, we're going to come from recommended to all countries. And then once you reach in all countries, look for your country's server. Alternatively, we have a UDP server right here. We're going to choose this one. But make sure that the server you are choosing is active, or it's online. So you're going to come and then choose this one, all countries. And then after, you're going to come right here where you have start, and then start. Give it some few seconds to connect. Mine has connected successfully, but yours may fail to connect.
Rolling hills, misty mountains.
Yours may fail to connect. Reason being, first, make sure that you have make sure that if yours fails to connect, make sure you turn airplane mode on and then off. Secondly, you can try to clear the app data, clear the cake, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Tech, and I sign out.